Let's be honest, aging is a privilege. But that does not mean we want to wear every year on our skin. Especially as a senior, you might have noticed your skin changing, getting thinner, drier, and yes, those fine lines becoming a little more permanent. But here is the amazing thing. You do not need expensive treatments or harsh chemicals to bring back that natural glow. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. In today's video, I will show you 4 of the best oils that every senior should consider for healthier, younger-looking skin. These oils are not just about beauty. They support senior health by protecting your skin, improving hydration, and even helping with inflammation. Let's get into it. 1. Rosehip oil. If you have never tried rosehip oil, you are in for something special. This oil is extracted from the seeds of rose bushes, and it is absolutely packed with vitamins A and C, 2 of the most powerful nutrients when it comes to skin regeneration. For seniors, rosehip oil is incredibly effective because it stimulates collagen production. And as we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to sagging skin and deeper wrinkles. But it does more than that. Rosehip oil helps fade age spots, reduce scarring, and even out skin tone. That makes it a fantastic choice if your skin has seen a lot of sun over the years. It is also rich in essential fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6, which lock in moisture and protect your skin's natural barrier. That is especially important for senior skin, which tend to become thinner and more prone to dryness. To use this oil, apply 2 to 3 drops to clean, slightly damp skin at night. Massage it in gently and let it soak in. No need to rinse. It works while you sleep. If you're already getting value from this video, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. And also, don't forget to like and share the video. 2. Jojoba oil. This oil is one of those hidden treasures that works for nearly every skin type. But what makes it so valuable for seniors is how closely it mimics the skin's natural oils. As we age, our skin produces less sebum, the natural oil that keeps our skin soft and hydrated. That is why senior skin often feels dry, rough, or tight. Jojoba oil steps in to restore that balance without making your face feel greasy. It is lightweight, non-comedogenic, and rich in vitamin E and antioxidant that helps protect skin cells from damage. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can calm redness and irritation, 2 things that become more common as we age. Another plus, jojoba oil helps maintain the skin's moisture without clogging pores, making it ideal for seniors who may still experience breakouts or irritation. Use it in the morning or at night. Just a few drops is enough to keep your skin feeling soft and looking radiant all day. 3. Argan oil. This oil comes from the nuts of the argan tree, found mainly in Morocco, and it has been used for centuries for both cooking and skincare. But its real magic is what it does for mature, dry, or aging skin. This oil is rich in vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants. For seniors, argan oil is deeply nourishing, especially if your skin is dry, flaky, or feeling rough to the touch. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft but not oily. More importantly, it strengthens your skin's barrier, helping it retain moisture longer, something that becomes harder to do as we get older. It also helps fight oxidative stress, which is one of the main causes of premature aging. For seniors, this means fewer fine lines, less inflammation, and a smoother, more youthful texture over time. Apply a few drops to your face, neck, and even the backs of your hands because those areas tend to show age the fastest. And here's a tip. You can even mix argan oil with your moisturizer to give your skin an extra boost. 4. See buckthorn oil. See, buckthorn oil is a bit of a skincare secret, but one that every senior should know about. This oil comes from the berries and seeds of the sea buckthorn plant. It is rich in omega-3, omega-6, and particularly omega-7, which is incredibly rare but essential for skin regeneration and elasticity. It is also full of carotenoids. That is what gives it that rich orange color, and those are powerful antioxidants that fight free radical damage. In other words, it helps protect your skin from aging caused by sun exposure, pollution, and even stress. But what really sets sea buckthorn oil apart is how it encourages new skin cell growth. That is why it is so effective at reducing deep wrinkles, improving skin tone, and giving that fresh, natural glow. For seniors dealing with thinning skin, dullness, or even conditions like rosacea, this oil can be incredibly soothing and healing. Because of its deep pigment, you will want to dilute it. Mix 1 or 2 drops with a lighter oil like jojoba or argan and apply it at night. So here's a takeaway. Aging skin needs care, not correction. These oils are not about covering anything up. They are about restoring what time and life naturally take away. And the amazing thing is, each of these oils support senior health in more ways than one. They are anti-inflammatory, rich in antioxidants, and gentle on sensitive skin. If you are a senior looking for simple, natural ways to protect and rejuvenate your skin, I truly believe these oils can help you feel more confident, more comfortable, and more connected to your body at any age. Try one. See how your skin feels and give it time. You might be surprised at how powerful a few drops can be. If you found this video helpful, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Also, don't forget to share with someone that might need this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.